Good morning. This is Bob from MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with you on this brand new 2021 Harris Sunliner 250. This is a gorgeous boat. Just came in. We just got it rigged. This particular boat is the center walk-through with the dual helm. Nice boat, got lots of capacity. There's 15-person capacity. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower. You can see right down here we've got the extended swim platform on there. Gives you, the advantage to you is it gives you lots of room when you're out playing on the water. This one is equipped with the pillow top French gray upholstery with gray seagrass. Beautiful boat. It's got a 12-foot bimini on it, so you got plenty of shade when you're out all day on the water. This boat is a great value, but it's not skimped down at all. As you come on forward, you'll see with the dual helm, these are reclining dual helm seats with the flip-up bolsters. This particular unit comes with the 9-inch Simrad with the vessel view link. So all your engine instruments are all connected through here. You've got GPS, everything. We've got a digital throttle with the power assisted steering. This thing will just turn like a dream. It will just spin it as fast as you want. I guarantee there's not a tuber that can hang on with me driving this boat. JL audio speakers with the speakers here in the front, as well as speakers behind on the back, so when you're in the water you can hear it. This boat also comes with in-floor storage, so we've got plenty of room for your skis, everything that you need. This is a great family boat, one that'll work for you for many, many years. It's a gorgeous boat. When you look at the pictures, it's champagne with a red accent, and it's just great. So give us a call. My name is Bob McBride, 573-606-3212. I'm also called the Tune Man, so give me a call. I love these boats, and I'll be happy to talk to you about them.